ŠKM banda. This is short for Stefan Kovač Marko banda. Stefan Kovač Marko was one guy from Prekmurje region where we come, it's northeast part of Slovenia, and he was the first who started to organize rebellion against occupator in Second World War II.
He was a hero.
He was a local hero. He was treacherously shot by in the back and so on. So he's like local legend, and we took this name after him because if you put this rebellion into this time now, it's like rebellion against this village mentality where we come from, and it's also combined with our voluntary work in alternative club, also called Ambassador Stefan Kovač.
Yeah, you might say that it's a kind of ideological statement.
Yeah, it is actually. It's a statement to be more open-minded, to rebel against this repressive thinking. These part regions really people have this boundaries in mind, which is only mental boundaries actually, and so it's the message is rebel against that mental boundaries.
We try to help them.
You just played the concert after closing ceremony of this year's Animateka. Could you tell us a little bit about your impressions?
Well, most of it was good. I think we have worked hard for this one. Session in studio, we never play the same, you know. I mean, if you take one song, we just play this song like that when we are in studio. So when we do concerts live, we don't ever play the same song again.
You know? Improvise.
Okay, I mean the structure is the same, but the rhythm is the same.
Yeah, so it was really hard, like for me, because I'm the drummer, to play just the same as
keep the tempo with
with the video. It was not ordinary live show, because we always have to watch the video and to be synchronized with the video. But,
we have to be concentrated.
Yeah, it's not only go with the flow like usually on the concerts, but go with the flow of the video.
When it comes to video, I would like to ask you if the material was prepared after the music was ready, or?
Yeah. This year in April, we released our third studio album. So I think that was maybe one of the reasons why the organizers invited us to do this show this year. However, we used this album. It's called the Red Album.
So you actually didn't rehearse with the video?
Yeah, we did last week.
Aha.
In the past few days.
It was really well synchronized. I thought that it's.
Yeah, I told you we worked hard.
songs, and there was like a Natachai, I don't know how it's in English. It was public, okay, this 8 songs, you can apply to this, and so the 8 people were chosen, the 8 authors, and they made work for each video.
No, it was a great experience, this one, but we actually, when we rehearsed these videos and songs, we had a couple of ideas how to do this in the future, so maybe, we'll see.
It's open.
Did you think about using some of the videos as video clips?
Yes, actually, yes.
Yeah.
We liked.
We will talk about this, what we like.
Yeah, we liked few things, so we have to work it out between us. Yeah.
Okay. And this year's Animateka was devoted to a relationship between music and animation. How do you find this relation?
Quite good. I like it because I think that animation could be really superb if the music is also good. So it's really, I think it's really hard to listen to the music and to understand it and animate it properly. So hail to the team.
No.
Not really, not really. Because I think it's complementary, It's like 50-50.
And these videos were not like short stories, but it was more like video clip.
Abstract.
That's why it cannot be without music. So video actually needs music
to fulfill the message.
Yeah, to work as they should work.
Yeah, of course.
So no fear about it.
Can I drink beer?
Yeah. Okay.
You must not make a commercial, so don't look like this. Whatever. We know what it's about.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Beatles, you can go on. Finished? Yeah.